Hey guys, Dotson guys here at MarineMax Charleston. I want to take a moment to show you guys a brand new Scout 175 Sport Dorado that we just received in this morning. This is a beautiful boat in all black full color, or excuse me, two-tone full color. We've got the standard bow rail up front for this particular model. Moving the bow, LEDs, navigation lights, pop-up seats, anchor storage. Kind of walk over to the back. This boat's got the optional bimini top from Scout. We've got this one paired with the Magic Tilt custom trailer. Standard swim platform across the back. We've got the standard 90 from Yamaha. And as well as we added the optional trim tabs for this particular model. We'll come on, step on up. I'll show you this fantastic layout. This particular boat has two captain's chairs. They spin, you go forward and back. It will also allow you to fish in the aft cockpit very comfortably or entertain from the back jump seats with backrest. There's storage under both port and starboard, very similar. This particular boat's got the secondary battery switch, so we've got our battery there. And then our live well under this port corner here. Systems access in the bilge. Moving up, we have the standard tiltable helm with the standard steering wheel, with the steering assist knob. Our trim tab indicators there, our digital tack and speedometers, our accessories. Nice grab handles walking forward with elegant windscreens. These cool little lounges in the front. Fit two comfortably, one on each side. Then what you get is cooler boxes. So those are insulated cooler boxes underneath both sides. And then as well, we get the standard bow cushion with standard grip. So it's a very comfortable pre-cruising boat or a fishing boat, kind of depending on what you want to use it for. Underneath this big bow cushion, we have a large fish box or, again, large storage area there. This boat does have a standard Fusion stereo system in with 4 speakers. If you guys have any questions, this is again the Scout 175 Sport Dorado. My name is Dotson here at MarineMax Charleston. Feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. Thanks and hope you guys enjoy it.